Priority traffic road signs in Lithuania. Stop. Give way, yield. Priority road. End of priority road. Give way to oncoming traffic. Priority over oncoming traffic. Stop ahead. Give way ahead.
Warning traffic road signs in Lithuania. Curve. Series of curves. Crossroads, with priority to the right. Crossroads, with a minor road. Roundabout. Traffic signals. Two-way traffic. Traffic queues. Steep ascent. Steep descent. Pedestrian crossing. Pedestrians. Children. Cyclists. Domesticated animals. Wild animals. Road narrows. Uneven surface. Bump. Slippery surface. Loose surface material. Soft or low verges. Ice or snow. Falling rocks. Crosswinds. Unprotected body of water. Opening bridge. Low-flying aircraft. Level crossing with barriers ahead. Level crossing without barriers ahead. Level crossing, single track. Level crossing, multiple tracks. Roadworks. Other danger.
Prohibitory traffic road signs in Lithuania. No entry. No vehicles. No motor vehicles. No motorcycles. No mopeds. No pedal cycles. No heavy goods vehicles. No vehicles pulling a trailer. No agricultural vehicles. No animal-drawn vehicles. No vehicles carrying dangerous goods. No vehicles carrying explosives or inflammables. No vehicles carrying water pollutants. Height limit. Width limit. Length limit. Weight limit. Weight limit per axle. No stopping. No parking. Restricted parking zone. No overtaking. No overtaking by heavy goods vehicles. No right turn. No left turn. No U-turn. Minimum following distance between vehicles. No honking. No pedestrians. Speed limit. Speed limit zone.
Mandatory traffic road signs in Lithuania. Go straight. Turn right. Go straight or turn right. Turn left or right. Roundabout. Keep right. May pass on either side. Route for vehicles carrying dangerous goods. Minimum speed limit. Footpath. Cycle path. Shared pedestrian and cycle path. Segregated pedestrian and cycle path.
Special regulations traffic road signs in Lithuania. One-way traffic. One-way traffic, left. Pedestrian crossing. Living street. Cycle street. Bus lane. Tunnel. Start of expressway. Start of motorway. Indication traffic road signs in Lithuania. No through road, dead end. Hospital. First aid. Bus stop. Taxi stand. Parking. Lane configuration. Emergency lay-by. Advisory speed. National border. National speed limits. European motorway numbers. National motorway numbers.
D-restriction traffic road signs in Lithuania. End of speed limit. End of speed limit zone. End of no overtaking. End of no overtaking by heavy goods vehicles. End of all previously signed restrictions. End of minimum speed limit. End of living street. End of expressway. End of motorway.